In this video, I'll show you how to save Google Sheets. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first, what you need to do, you need to head over to your Chrome browser, right? So click on these dotted icons. Once you have clicked on it, scroll down gradually. Click on this sheet. Wait for it to open a bit. Once it has opened, you can at first start up with a blank spreadsheet. You can choose this, you can choose this, you can choose this, you can choose this. Any of these you want to choose, right? So I want to choose this Google Finance investment sheet, right? I'll click on it because I want to show you how you can save a Google sheet, right? So without wasting much time, once you have inserted or once you have typed in what you want to type and you want to save this Google sheet, what you need to do, click on this file, right? Once you have clicked on this file, click this download it as an Excel sheet, right? Wait for it to download. Once it has downloaded, this is it. Exactly, Google Finance investment. So what you need to do, click on this, open, right? You have just saved this Google sheet, right? Or you can as well click on this here. So this is it. This is how you can open it from the Google Excel, right? This is it. This is it on the Google Excel. So you have saved this Google sheet right now. Exactly. So this is it. This is its display on Google Excel, right? So I can still cancel this, and I'm going to show you how it will display once you have saved this, right? Click on this. Once you have downloaded this, click on this. Click on this show in folder, right? Exactly. So this has been saved into your PC's documents, right? This is Google Finance Investment, and we just did a video about that a few seconds ago. So this is how you can save Google Sheet. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.